Calaguachero, Calaguachera. Here we just check out in our hotel here in Holiday Inn in Ghent. And we are going to Brugge today. So come and join us. We will have a good time. Silang ganyan, no? Yung kanilang gate nung araw. Ayan, yung entrance papasok dito sa kanilang town. Ayan, o, yun yung port nila, yung SL Port of Brugge. And we are entering the old town of Brugge. This is the old city center. And look at that high tower, the Belfry. Belfry. Yan, ayun o. Taas ng Belfry nila, no? Ito yung old town nila. The church. Church in Brugge, and the canals. This is the romantic place in Belgium. If they have in France is Paris, and Belgium they said the romantic place is here in Brugge. Look at the building, they're so old. From 1679. Tapos ayan ang church nila, Our Lady of Church. Church of Our Lady pala. This is the Church of Our Lady, I think. Oh no, the other one. This is anong church kaya? Hotels here in the side. It's not allowed to go in, I think, so we need to park somewhere. Why he go in there?
Because maybe he's allowed.
And we are not allowed. So we go here in the side. Look. Oh, this is a parking. We go to the parking. Pagka-park, ayan, picture agad. Brugge Mark. Ayan, pupunta tayo sa square, so lakad-lakad at magpipicturan tayo doon. So we're going to the Belfry over there. Ayan ang Belfry ng Brugge. Ang daming horses. A lot of horses, oh. Tama, oh. Wow. This is the square. Ito yung market square nila.
Yeah, there's more in the winter and during Christmas.
It's beautiful. Ayan, picture tayo dito sa square. This is the square here in Brugge. Ang ganda ng square nila, o diba? Normally, marami pang tao, but ngayon not much. At ayan, makakapagpa-picture sa horsey, tiglig-tiglig. Oh, pwede kang sumakay dyan at mag-go around Brugge. Pero maglalakad lang tayo. At tayo ay mag-iikot dito today. So, picture, Ate Ems.
Yak. Di mas kita.
Ayun ang kanilang belfry na mataas na it's about UNESCO heritage din siya. So pupuntahan natin yan. Halika, tingnan natin. So ayan, maraming turista o tinitingnan nila ang belfry. Ayan, but ayan na. After that, we're going around. Maraming dapat makita dito sa Brugge in Belgium. At marami talagang chocolate. Of course, chocolate ay popular sila. O, diba? Tingnan nyo. Yummy. At here's another square naman uli. Ang daming tao, ang daming turista dito. Actually, Brugge is really nice also. Place to go. Ayan, may mga beer because Belgium is well known from beer at saka Belgium is well known for Belgian chocolate. So, ang daming chocolate display at maraming kind ng chocolate. So, grabe, sa yummy dito. At of course, Belgian french fries. Ang daming maganda at yummy sa Belgium. Kaya bukod sa magandang place at maraming place na pwedeng magandang puntahan at masasarap pa ang pagkain dito. So kaya hayan, ikot tayo muna at picture here in the other square where the municipal of Belgium is. At nandito din ang Holy Blood of Christ, the cathedral. So, huwag kalilimutang pumunta at umakyat sa taas, pray. Pag nadaan kayo dito sa Brugge, the Holy Blood of Christ is here in this church, also in their cathedral. Pero bawal magpicture, buti na lang nakasingit ako ng picture. Thank you Lord. Bawal magpicture sa cathedral, but beside cathedral, doon sa kanilang parang munisipyo, you can make pictures. So this is the pictures from inside. Ayan, maganda rin. And actually, behind that building, behind that square, nandito ang Lovers Canal, parang
The
Venice
Golden
nila.
House. Ayan.
So pupunta kami dito.
And
Ayan.
here's the canal. Look. Yeah. Here in Brugge, you can take a boat over there.
Diba ang ganda? Kaya picture tayo dito. At dito rin merong market.
May parang square, ano? Oo, may mga tindahan. Parang ito yung market. Oo, ayan o. May mga nagtitinda. Ito sa behind the Holy Blood Church. Mga handicraft. Oo. Ayan sila nagtitinda. Mga antique.
You can buy some paintings here at saka yung mga old jewelries. Oh, ayan. May souvenir,
1, 2, 3.
But, eto talaga yung kanal ang maganda nila. Ayan, picture muna na lang tayo dito. Picture ate. Punta ka dyan sa may bridge. Oh, diba? Ganda ng view. Ganda talaga. Picture.
8. 3. So, 1, 2, 3. Another square where all the restaurant. May mga heater, malamig pa din. Pati naman itong cute ng restaurant na itong liit. Ito naman lit, ano?
Cute.
Look, so cute.
Look at this very small.
Yeah, here, Cafe Klein. For small people. But this one, look.
Even you can reach them.
So here's another beautiful view from the canal. Actually, ito yung place na mas gusto kong place for picture-picture. Ang ganda niya. O, diba?
2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Full view.
Tingnan niyo ang ganda ng view. Kaya maraming tao dito nagpi-picture-picture. And it's Robbers Canal. Kaya nakikilovers din kami. O, diba? So, picture tayo dito.
Wait. It's good. 2, 3. Wow. 1, 2, 3. So beautiful here. The Ems. Kaway ka.
Take picture from here there.
Wait. Wow.
2, 3.
Go Ate Ems. 2, 3. Sapat. Wait. 1, 3. Isa pa. Dali. Ano ko kukunin ng picture eh? 1, 2. I don't. Teo. 2, 3.
Too late. It's way too late.
Too late.
No.
It's way too late.
Too late.
No.
Finish.
No.
Finish.
No.
Oh.
Ayan, babalik na tayo sa square. Oh, may malaking tinapay pa. At ayan, nakadaang kami ng beer pub. So, check natin. Picture tayo. Wow, ang ganda ng beer pub na to. Kita mo ang dingding niya. Punong-puno ng different kind of beer. Nice. First time ko actually nakita to. Ang gandang pasukin dito sa Brugge.
Three.
Haben wir dann schon.
Ang dami nilang mga old building talaga rito at maganda. So, pabalik na uli kami sa square. So, ayan uli, magpi-picture-picture na walang katapusang picture. The time is over. We need to leave Brugge na at we're going to France pa.